Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we're going to review a product that everybody needs and everybody can use guys. It's an amazing product. It's a power inverter guys. You can convert your DC power from your car guys, from your 12 volt outlet to AC power that you can guys charge multiple devices and you can use regular household devices if you're, let's say, on the road, if you're camping or anything like that. So stay with us guys, that's what we'll be doing. The product was sent to us guys. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. We're going to put it to the test today and see how it works. It's a product guys that I needed a long time ago, and I'm glad that I have a chance to review it for you guys and let you know if it's good or not. Quick introduction guys, as you probably already know, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos. We take them completely apart. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now let me show you guys what we have here. So let us show you guys what we got here. Okay, this is guys the inverter. It's a 150 watt inverter by the company is called SUNGLIFE. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. Now what I like about that thing guys, okay, simply I like that you have two power outlets for 110 volts, two outlets. You have three different USB ports. One of them is quick charge 3.0 and two of them are 2.4 amps, and in addition guys you have an extra 12 volt okay cigarette lighter socket on the other side. So you can see guys how many devices you can use if if you do not over exceed guys the maximum power, which is 150 watt plus minus 10% from what I understand. And it has an overload protection. It has a little bitty fan that actually cools it, and that way it cannot overheat easily guys. And when I'm on the go guys, okay, we always need to recharge our batteries, okay, for the camera, for the light. So this is one of the batteries. This is another one here guys. We always need a power bank with us and a phone. So all these devices, I'm going to connect them, put them to the test and see if that little device can charge them. So stay with us now. So we'll demonstrate guys on that BMW, but it works for any car that has a power outlet socket. So let me show you now. Okay, we're getting inside now and we have a power outlet socket right here in the console. Okay, let me show you. If we open it, okay, we just have a 12 volt socket right there. And all I'm going to do now guys, okay, I'm just going to plug it in and connect it. Okay, let me do that quick. Okay, just like that. Now you can see I have green light here guys, blue light, excuse me, blue light. So now let's go ahead, okay, and connect the devices one by one. If it's working guys, you're going to see it powering up. Okay, let me turn the light off. Well, no, you can see it, that's perfect. Second device guys, okay, two devices so far and everything's working. Check out the lights. Now what else we're going to do? We're going to plug in guys, okay, the power bank. It's charging as well, and now we're going to plug the phone to the quick charge, okay, the 3.0 amp charge guys right here. All that will be connected guys, okay, to that little bitty device. And the phone, what it says charging here as well. You can see it charging guys. So far guys, okay, this is amazing. Okay, check it out, everything is charging, everything is ready to go. That's why I like that thing. Okay, it has so many different outputs, 2 ACs, 3 USBs, and you can still connect another 12 volt cigarette lighter socket right here, and all that in one device guys. Now it's important that you do not over exceed the maximum power, which is 150 watt constant power guys. If you do, it's going to notify you. It has a built-in alarm, it has a built-in protection for over voltage, under voltage guys, overheating, thermal protection as well guys. So really cool device, something guys that I'll definitely recommend, and I always keep on the go. I usually put it on the rear seat while I'm driving so I can charge my gear and be ready to go when we get to the location. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to find a good inverter that is compact, lightweight, easy to carry and powerful enough to run multiple devices guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.